Raspberry Pi hardware preparation and installation. We require Raspberry Pi latest model, and then we require USB micro power supply, then we require HDMI cable, then we require monitor or TV, and next we require USB keyboard, last is USB mouse. This is called as 40 pins, 40 GPIO pins. Okay, this is USB ports. Okay, 4 USB ports are there for mouse, keyboard, and then we are having this Ethernet cable. Okay, this is an Ethernet cable. Then after Ethernet cable there is an audio in black color. Then we are having camera slot. So this is the after audio we are having camera slot. Then after that we are having HDMI cable slot. Okay, then after that we are having power supply, C type power supply. Then we are having next is SD card slot. Okay, so this and then we are having in middle, that is CPU and RAM of Raspberry Pi. These are the wires, one and these 2 wires are there. Okay, now coming over here, now we'll first insert HDMI cable. Then here we are having power supply. We will insert this power supply. Okay, now coming down the insertion. So now power supply will insert over here button. Okay, power supply we have inserted. Now for HDMI we will insert a monitor cable wire. Okay, so you have to open this. Now after opening you can insert. Inserted, and then we have to close it here also. Then after inserting this HDMI cable, we'll insert USB of keyboard and mouse in USB ports. Insert properly. So our Raspberry Pi setup is ready. Now we'll start monitor. First we will start power supply. So when we start power supply, this light starts blinking, green color light. We'll keep over here, and then our Raspberry Pi monitor is started. Password. So here you can see the logo of Raspberry Pi, and the desktop is ready. The setup is ready for running. Thank you. Using the monitor, we have to shut down the Raspberry Pi system. So we have to click over your shutdown button. Okay. After clicking on shutdown button, this light turns red, means you have shut down the Raspberry Pi, and then you can close the monitor screen afterwards. Okay, now we will remove all these plug settings. Before removing plug, we will remove power. When we off the power supply button, so the light, there is no light it is showing. So we are removing this power supply. Okay, then we remove this keyboard and mouse USB ports. Then we remove this HDMI. So how to remove it? You have to open this, okay, and then you can remove this HDMI. This is how we will remove our HDMI of monitor screen. Now coming back over here,